Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to do a little unboxing of this Dear Santa Spellbinders holiday kit that I purchased from the Spellbinders website. It's called Dear Santa Holiday Kit. And I was actually there to buy individual pieces of the collection, but once I had what I wanted in my basket, it was cheaper to go this route, so I just decided to get the kit instead. The box is super cute, as you can see. It's got diamonds on the side and Dear Santa Define Good at the bottom. So I took everything out so I wouldn't have to do that with y'all. But what you get in here, this is, since it's a card making kit, they give you like cardstock and whatnot. So the first thing you get is this mirrored cardstock, and it's you get 2 sheets of the silver, and it's double-sided. I've never seen double-sided this kind of cardstock, so that's interesting. And then you get the 2 of the gold as well, and they are also double-sided. And then they give you an array of cardstock. You get greens, shades of green. You get shades of, sorry, these are always hard to separate paper. Shades of blue, right there. Shades of red, and red is such a hard color because there's so many different shades of red. And then there's some shades of pink, couple, I think 2. Oh, this one's really thick, this piece. So you get a couple of the pink, and then you get a cream and a brown. So they give you all of these cardstock pieces. I won't be making cards because I'm not a card maker, but I'll make other things. But you do get A2 cards. You get 20 envelopes and 20 card bases. So you could use these to make mini albums or whatever too. It doesn't just have to be cards. So that. And then they give you some double-sided tape, some foam squares so you can start creating your cards. They give you a little breakdown of what's in here on this little card here. The first thing I'll share with you is the 6x6 paper pad. They do have it in 12x12, but I didn't want the 12x12. I'm, trying to cut back on space and whatever, but let me flip this through with you. This is letters and envelopes. This one has postage markings on it. This is little houses in the village. Some of these papers do have gold foiling. This one is Christmas trees. A stripe that I really love, this one. It's so pretty. It's got a faint green line down the middle. This one is like badges and award ribbons, and this does have gold foiling on it. This one. This one. This one's tiny little holly berry. This one's all the little elements of the collection. This one is holly leaves in the background with stars, I think, little stars. These are crackers, the ones you pop open at Christmas time with goodies inside. This one's polka dot and the little pretty little colors of the collection. This green, another holly on a pink background. These are pine branches with ornaments. These are strung ornaments. You get 2 of each in this collection. So this is the robin, and this has gold polka dots on it. Some red with snowflake. And then you're back to the beginning again. So that's the paper collection. And then you also get these are puffy stickers, 2 sheets. So you get all these sentiments. And then the alphabet, which is so cute, and more sentiments at the bottom. You get some gemmies, which are really pretty. One of mine is funky. This one that kind of came messed up, but the others are real pretty. These have glitter. These do not, but they're still beautiful, especially this, like the ice color. It's so pretty. So you get those. You get the chipboard frames and corners, which are 38 pieces. Then you get the die cut sentiments, and there's 2 of each, so there's a total of 130, and these are what are in here. Super cute. This looks fun, like you could make a little Wheel of Fortune thing. And then you get the die cut ephemera, which is also 130, no, 168 pieces, 2 of each. And this is what they look like. The deer is so cute in this collection. Super cute. And then what you get in here that I did not see on their website, so I don't know what they're called. I just think it's just chipboard, but this was part of this package. Really cute. And then it's double-sided. That's my mom's word for me, believe. And then little sentiments down here. So that's what comes in the kit. So like I said, I was going to do this individually, and then I thought, oh, what the heck, I'll just get the kit. Then the other thing I purchased separately was this washi tape. And I want to show it to you because it's so cute. It's postage stamps, and they are so cute. You have a deer, a present, Santa, gingerbread house, a tree on a car, some candy canes, some figgy pudding, poinsettia. Wow, there's a lot of designs in here. Look, a little cottage. Man, that's a lot of different designs. A Christmas tree, a cardinal. Oh, wow. And then we're back to the deer. Wow, that's a lot of different designs in washi tape. It's so cute. So I had to add that to my collection because, you know, just have to. So anyway, that is my little unboxing of the Dear Santa kit from Spellbinders. Again, it's sold separately, so you can buy individual pieces if there's something you saw that you really love. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.